guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm here right now sa aking apartment, aka BH lang ay. Anyway, I'm back here sa Barrios because I have an appointment sa Tuesday. We have scheduled for case presentation, which is we're gonna present, of course, our gun case presentation. This is by section, and we have scheduled by Tuesday, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And bumalik din ako because I'm one of the presenter there, and of course, required na kami bumalik. Although vacation namin, putol-putol, but medyo nakaras naman din. And aside from that, ang bilis lang ng panahon, guys. Like, grabe lang ka-fast. Parang last week, nandun ako sa Cotabato, but right now, I'm here. So if nagtataka kayo, I don't have update this past 2 weeks because na-rest ako, and ipapawatch ko din sa inyo yung past weeks ko doon sa Cotabato. Ano pa ba? Ay, medyo messy yung room namin because kakarating ko lang kahapon and maglilinis pa ako ngayon. And right now, nagpipilo ako ng mga damit ko because by Tuesday, siguro, after case presentation, or by Wednesday, I'm gonna go home. And tomorrow, ilalabhan ko yung mga damit na nagamit ko, and yes, I'm gonna take a bath. Siguro, morning masyado para malabhan ko din yung nagamit ko today. So, para wala akong masyadong isipin, and tomorrow, mag-rest na lang ako. And focus na ako doon sa, pag-present by Tuesday. And that's all. I'm gonna update you guys if ano yung mangyayari sa amin by Tuesday. And see niyo muna yung ko doon sa Cotabato. Live ko doon sa Cotabato. Say hi to my vlog. Garang late, guys. It's already 6. Hi guys. Madami kaming nakikita ng today. What you can say? What you can say? Wala. Anong wala? Okay. Mag-picture sila ate. Guys, turn out kami sa gawas. Live update.
رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم.
Before we continue with the next part of our program, let us take a moment to celebrate the rich culture and traditions of one of the most indigenous peoples of Mindanao, unique story, and by respecting that story, we provide care that is not only holistic but also culturally sensitive. The performance you are about to witness is inspired by the spirit of Mindanao people, their resilience, unity, deep connection with nature, and pride.
Jerusalem, ikaw mong tuwelaan Iklitag sa boy hanggang kusang paburo Nawaling sa tulog na
early detection of skin problems and prevent pressure injuries. So for nutrition and hydration, the emphasized evidence-based care. So lastly, for future researchers are encouraged to explore the healthcare experience of indigenous older adults, particularly those from under
My classmate. Aray! Video. Grabe! Si Perry! Isa pa. Yan! Hiking yarn! Hiking yarn! Isa pa, last. Last. Piling mo kasi Perry, no? Harugo.
See you there.